Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to give ChatGPT live internet access. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. Then in here, search for any news coming in from any news sites. On the news itself, try to copy the name of the main subject of the news. Now open another tab, then head on over to chat.openai.com. In here, ask chat.openai to write an article about the person's name. Then on the bottom corner, turn on web access. And then on region, select a specific region this time. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.